Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics that matter. Make sure Windows updates are installed and you are signed into your Microsoft account so permissions match. Run the built-in Microsoft Store troubleshooter now. It often fixes service or cache conflicts. Once done, write down any error codes you see because you will use them in later steps. Make sure background apps are allowed. Then close other heavy apps so the store diagnostic runs without interference. This reduces false positives and speeds troubleshooting. Now you perform targeted repairs. First, run WS Reset, exe to clear the store cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that often cause auto-closing. Next, open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the store app with the Add Apps package command. This repairs the app package and fixes broken links. Then check services. Confirm Windows Update and Store Install Service are running and set their startup to automatic if needed. These middle steps rebuild the app state and resolve deeper configuration errors. Finish by isolating user profile or system-level causes. Create a new local user and test the store. If it works there, migrate data and remove the corrupted profile. Also update or reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and NET runtime because missing libraries can make the store exit unexpectedly. If the app still closes, open Event Viewer, reproduce the crash, and capture the faulting module and timestamp. That log is the key troubleshooting tip. Use it to search for targeted fixes or to report a precise bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.